Shit, I'm recording now, bruh, so we gotta figure this shit now. We gotta figure this shit out now. I'm hella tired, man. Damn. Shit, bro. Oh, just the man I was looking for. Hell yeah, cause I'm trying to figure this editing shit out, bro. What's happening up? I'm holding it down. Wet ass, this nigga hands off, wet as shit. Look, how we do this though? I mean, what you thinking? We gotta wire it together. Bro just gave us an example, but you know, I ain't gonna lie, I'm lost, gang. I'm lost. Man, I can show you a little video, but just some wiring shit. Yeah, man. Alright, so I ain't gonna lie, I might be able to figure this shit out to the neck. I ain't gonna lie, but we got L1, L2. So if we got L1, L2, then it's going to the HRs. So we already got wires. You feel?
Get your wire cutters out.
Nah, they in my bag. Nah, I got my bag, nigga. Like what? You need wire cutters? Hold on. Wire cutters, though. Oh, I know what those are. Yeah, let's get right. My shit recording still. Yeah, where the wire cutters at? Not those. Yeah, yellow bunny. Is there the wire cutters?
Those in the strippers. Now, where the black ones? The ones that got the black pieces.
Man, shit, I don't know. What we got there?
Like, there they go.
Yep, there they go, them blue things.
You got get some rope.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So. Wearing that thing up. What you thinking? You got a clue? No clue?
What's the
We just gotta wire it. Just wire it up. Just yeah, I guess we gonna wire this up today, and we just gonna be wiring up all the components for the rest of the week. But you feel me? So I guess that's what we trying to do. He wrote that out, and I'm like, we got L1 and L2 right here. L2 is the power. We got L1 is the heat. But this will go somewhere else. We got L1 and L2 right here. We got two L1 and L2, so I'm guessing we're gonna put a white wire here, a red wire there, or you know, we're gonna wire these somewhere. I don't know. I'm really hella confused. Yeah, man, I don't know. We don't know. Shit. Definitely beginners. Damn, you got that so you can wire your own, huh? Damn.
Oh, you in the bruh. See, you got too much shit on it. You ain't gotta do too much on that.
Yeah, your shit way simpler. Oh God. Yeah, bro. Good looking out.
Shit, I got my I got my paper out too. I'm wire this thing in 5 seconds.
Let's get it, bro. Cause it seemed easy. This one just really heating. This a real heat strip. This one just real basic, real small. This one just yeah.
L1, L2 to the goddamn sequencers, or to like the heating sequencers, and then
yeah, hell yeah. Is it that simple?
dog, yeah, it's for that. Basically.
I mean, it's for both of them. I think.
Okay. Maybe putting the stages. Like, tell that's one of more stages.
Mm-hmm. These.
And you gonna squeeze these on?
Clap it.
Yeah.
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 Back part.
Bottom or the middle?
The bottom.
The middle.
Right. Yeah, let me try that shit. You might have, man, you might have only needed to put a little bit of this on there, so it should have been more plastic than metal. That might be the problem. Yeah, man, crimp that motherfucker. Yeah, bro. Get that grip strength on. Yeah, let me try it. I think this a perfect little length right here. Let me see the thing. Oh God. Yep, try this.
Oh, did you get the new class? Yeah, I saw my this morning.
Yeah, who's the teacher though?
Bro, we supposed to clamp the middle. You see the metal on the inside, clamp the metal part that you can see the
Yeah, that shit gonna slip out every time.
like you see the metal part of it. I think it's supposed to be that metal part.
What you mean with the metal part? What you mean?
Like you see like in the middle, like you can see it.
Yeah.
Like the little metal part. I think it's supposed to crush onto the wire. Cause this right here, that shit ain't about to stay. It's plastic.
Hold on, this is what I'm finna do. I'm finna cut some of this metal. And then it's just gonna be short. You know, I'm just gonna do this. And try this. And I'm gonna try to go plastic. Cause the metal touching. Yeah, hell no, you tweaking. This nigga tweaked out, man. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Come on now. Damn, you almost broke my thing too. Oh Lord. I can't believe he just tried to grip it like that. That's wild. He just did that. Nah, this shit smooth. Nah, man. This should never be that hard. Come on, man. We working smarter, not harder. We HVAC. Yeah, we not no motherfucking plumbers. Yeah. You might as well swimming in shit around here, man. Come on now. Thriving in the heat. I know we shit on electricians, but nigga. There you go. Crimp them up. That's it. Oh yeah, that. Nah, this ain't meant to be. Yeah, this ain't gonna work.
Yeah, you need the other joint. Blue.
The blue ones. What you mean? Man, yeah, this shit ain't gonna work. This one, bro, it's just, I think it's just gonna be too loose, bro, regardless. Like, you see how this, it's like breaking this shit is just hella loose. Like, I think something needs to fit.
Really gotta stay on for real. Ain't like we got to connect with this.
Yeah, nah, you ain't lying though. And I done bent it, so I think I got one. Oh yeah, it's on there good enough. Just, you feel me, be gentle. Oh, you already got it? Hell yeah. You feel me? Yeah, that's on there again. Hell yeah. Ain't gonna call her put it for no reason. Shit, be sweet. I don't know. Yeah, so that's it. That's what we looking at right now, huh? They look exactly the same. Yeah, man. Nah, for sure. So that's just bam, just a little different, huh? All right,
It
yeah.
just has more. You just gotta know what's going on.
Yeah, so everything is gonna connect to the transformer though.
Yeah.
That's what it's looking like.
Yeah,
I mean,
L1, L2.
yep. But we only got one transformer though. So you know, all of this gonna have to connect it. But it's like we got this right here. Bam. That's gonna go to like here or something. So what's this? Like this a double pole, double throw or something like that, or what's? It can't be a single.
Double door.
Double door.
Yeah, I think it's double door.
Double door. I ain't never heard double door. Damn. But we'll go double. Alright. So looking at that, I mean, it's making a little bit of sense now. Yeah, he backed up. Oh god. Yeah, we got the bro, we got the camera view and shit. Hell yeah. Come on, gang. Lit. Yeah, man.
I ain't trying to be in Ben's life.
Yeah. Yeah, Ben's life part 2. Yeah, you talking about. That nigga said, now you gotta go to work. That nigga crazy.
I knew you like that one.
Hell nah, man. I need to stop telling people my boss got me these, bruh, because they automatically, oh, nah, she like you, all this and that. I'm like, oh, I'm like, she do like me, man. I mean, that's my boss, but, nigga, right. Hell yeah. Yo, can't wear these at work, man. Get recognized. Yeah.
Alright, so I know the problem is using the wrong one.
Yeah, that's what I thought he said. Yeah, hell yeah. That motherfucker not gonna fit in.
Difference. See?
Yeah, hell yeah. You need one with a bigger so that the plastic could fit in.
Yeah.
Snug.
Yeah, plus. Oh, push it out. I want to push it like this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, you trying to. Mm-hmm. Got that in there. So that's coming out. Mm-hmm. We got an input, so we gonna have one thing going in, another thing going in, and then you know everything else is going. This thing got like three or four of them though. Big dog, smile. You feel me? You know what time it is. Hey, yeah, bro. You know what time it is. She came through. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Just hand on the back. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hell nah, man. She came through, bro. Next day, I'm like, damn. Man, she got paid. That's what happened. Hey. Yeah, man. She said, hopefully I use them wisely. Hopefully I put them to good use. That's what we gonna try to do, man. Yeah. I ain't sell shit. What you talking about? I take gifts, man. Shit. Donations is cool. She a real one. I don't get gifted too often.
Every weekend. Your schedule's every weekend.
Hell no, I was supposed to work today. Shit. You went ahead and got somebody to cover my shift. I got a doctor's appointment. Oh, God. Yeah, man. We smooth over there. I'm just playing my role. Yeah, bro. I ain't trying to be too much. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't pushing for that promotion or none of that stuff. I ain't gonna lie. Some goes from here to there. I know that.
Yeah.
Yep, from there to there. So this gotta have some on both sides too. Yeah.
And then you just gotta put like twisted coils together.
Okay, oh
Put
that's
that wire cap on.
hell yeah, that's you know, hell yeah.
That's gonna start bottom up here. Got wire nuts.
These ain't the right whatever these called. These ain't the right connectors. This one gotta be thicker on the inside so it slip on and actually connect. Like, you feel me? We not gonna be, even though those go in like that, it gotta be the plastic that go in there.
Yeah. So
What you think?
I made Ethernet cable, so this is kind of familiar with.
Yeah, bro. Hell yeah, nah, he got it. So we need the yellow ones, huh?
Yeah, the yellow ones, and then to clamp it, it has to be on the plastic.
On the plastic, bro. It's
Yeah.
simple. It's not. Yeah, this shit ain't work. Oh, they right behind you.
Man, I should have brought my clampers with me. I have the Ethernet cord clamp. I have that. I should have brought it with me. Damn it.
You gonna need the rest of the week. Put them in your bag this week.
What's up, gang?
What up, bro?
Man, same old. Yes, sir.
Yeah, because I made the Ethernet cable. It works. So, you get one, $20 for it.
What are you talking? What are you trying to sell us? What the fuck? What's your? Oh yeah, nah, I got mine. Hell yeah. What you talking about?
Could be shorter.
You said what? What you talking about? What you was trying to sell us, bro?
An Ethernet cord. I can make an Ethernet cord.
You said what? An Ethernet cord?
Yes.
Yeah, for your Wi-Fi.
For your Wi-Fi.
Like you play video games.
Oh hell, this nigga can make an Ethernet cord for the video games. This nigga's a hacker. For sure.
I'm an IT. I'm an IT background.
IT
Technology
tech,
background. So.
technology background. Sheesh. Alright, so if that go there, hold on, we need to put one on this side. All I know is something gonna go from here to there, or from there to there. So, you feel me? What go from there to there? What we connecting over here? Should I just start it off like this? Just start it off? Because we know something's gonna go there. Put them together, huh? We could do that, or we could just do like this and just, you know what I'm saying? Connect one to this side and
You
just.
gotta put the wire nut on it.
We gotta put the wire nut. It ain't a wire nut on that. It is though, but man, the thing about it is that one got like three different different transformers or whatever this is. What's this called again?
What's the contactor?
3 different contactors.
No, the main one for the board is at the bottom.
The main one for the board though is at the bottom.
Yeah, so this one will be that one at the bottom.
Alright.
Then you go from here to
And they do got one with hella nuts on it.
one of these.
Alright. And then we gotta have one coming out of here.
One, yeah.
Right there. It's alright. We'll be fine.
I'm trying to figure out how do I like, you know, use some wire nuts.
Yep. Good looking out.
What do you like to
Yeah.
Just twisting the coils.
Because I think we should have made it long enough to where it's like bam, bam.
It's fine to me. I mean, it's fine to me. What you think?
Yeah,
But
why
we gotta
not?
actually wire it. You see how it go? I wanted to, instead of you having to doing the net, it'll be tighter and cleaner when you do it from there to there.
Get back recording. Alright, so we got one right here too.
No, this goes where?
That's gonna go. Where that go? That should be a black wire, but that's gonna go over here. Oh God, what that's gonna go? L1. We got L2 on this side, L1 on this side. So that's heat. So I'm guessing, I mean, it can go over here where the heat side is, and it's just the power side. Power to here, heat to there. You feel me? And
So it means
I think it's all gonna work. For sure, for sure.
and then this will go here, and then this has to go here. So I take another one.
I mean, it's not one on the bottom up there. So
Well, I'm thinking like go from here to here, then here to here, and then here to here. That's what I'm thinking of.
you thinking, damn.
Because the
Damn.
thing of like getting power, but it has to transfer from here to here. In order for it to operate. If that makes sense.
But it's gonna go here, and then it's gonna go around and come to there, and then boom, it's gonna go out. It's not like it gotta be connected like that. You feel me? It's all connected. It's all connected in the back for real, I think. Yeah, hell yeah. I mean, the coil, that component is connected to this component over here. And that's that though. So maybe, but you know, this is conductive as well, so that's gonna conduct electricity too. So, you know, I don't think so. I think. All right, hold on.
And then after you crimp it, you squeeze it tight. You want to pull on that wire pretty tight. Okay.
So you already got it? Nah, man. Yeah, nah. You ain't even get close, man. Sheesh. Alright, so.
I'm trying to figure out that we don't have as many as components as you have.
Yeah. Oh, y'all don't. Let me see.
Okay, the heat element and the high limit switches.
We using that as an example though, so you don't really. We got too many components. I ain't gonna lie. So you don't really need. I ain't gonna lie. You don't really need all that. But shoot, man. That's a good example. You ask me. I ain't gonna lie. Oh God. I'm not recording. It feel weird. It's alright though. It's alright. You said what? Delete the light? Man. I know, huh? Man, it's smoother.
It's a solid investment though.
Nah, hell yeah. Nah, for sure. Yeah, nah, for sure. Hell yeah. I mean, like, this nigga recording. That's even weirder than having it blacked out. But, I mean, $100, I can do that too. I ain't gonna lie. I might. We gonna see. I really take these bitches for a spin.
Come out, element, go to here, and then your other power wire go there. See what I'm saying? That would go here. But theoretically, this overload should go to this element and come out there. You know what I'm saying? Or is your second stage. As it stands, you got two overloads on one heating element.
So what is the overload again? What does it look like? That's the white thing.
This right here.
That's the overload. Okay. All
And
right.
this is your high limit.
Overload, high limit. All right. Yep. The
Yes.
black is the high limit.
Yeah.
And the overload. So the overload is just that small piece on the back though.
Yeah, this fuse link right there.
All right. So what is this called again? This white thing. What are those again?
What here?
Yeah, just this whole little thing.
This is your overload,
Overload.
and this is your ceramic dust-free heating element.
Ceramic
so it comes
dust-free
through,
heating.
it ties your heating element in,
Yep.
and this ties your heating element in
Yep.
through there.
Okay.
Uh,
So we got the overload with this, and then these are the heating elements. Ceramic disc heating elements.
yep.
Cool.
Get your meter
That's your hourly.
and check from here to here,
You gotta go
and
from
check
over
from there
to
to there. See if you get continuity, and then go from there to there, and then there to
High limit got to go from
See
L1
which
to
one's
L2.
your element
All right.
set. I'm assuming it goes through. Yeah, see, there it is. That's what it is. See,
That's what you just said.
one element's on this side, one element's on this side.
See, because the way I thought it was gonna get work is from the power switch from here to right here. I thought like if this was the power, this is hooked up to it too. And you use that tip common.
They gotta have a transformer for it to go to. That's what I'm saying. Since he ain't got that, I'm just acting like L2 is that. I feel like technically I don't need L2 if I got no transformer.
But yeah, that's what they're doing here. Bring your power into here. Okay, come out. Come into here. It goes into your heat element.
No, man, I'm
Goes out
super
to here.
confused.
This is your power
Super,
coming
super
out.
confused. I'm finna.
This will
Let me
be
check this out real quick. What y'all saying making sense?
here.
Let's see. So we got the high limit, right? High limit. We got the little disc that go to the things. One of these is the what's it called?
So
We connect those two. But who knows if this is correct?
we would have to work.
What you talking about? What you mean? Oh. Oh God, being out there, Mac. For sure. Don't. Yeah, they like that. That's all he do to knock the bitch. He dropping give. Oh God, he dropping give her 100. She like, woo wee. Oh God. Hell yeah. Oh, that nigga, sir, yes, sir. You like this? Sir, yes, sir.
So you go through each one. So each one's going to be a little different, but you got to know what you're looking for and how to wire it in. You see what I'm saying? So y'all need to make sure y'all wire each one of the heating elements because it's different setups, different ways to wire it up, doing the same thing. Okay? Make sense? Yes, sir. You look lost.
I'm guessing. I don't
We
know.
lost, man.
I don't know.
Let me see.
Yeah, we need some teaching.
Goes to there, goes to there, comes out. No. No. You're gonna go. Well,
Come on, man. I just.
it looks like I need to show you how to wire in.
Yeah, I don't know how to.
Nah, it's just the whatever this is called is not. It's not the right size. We need yellow ones. The yellow ones, those fit better.
Does it fit?
They fit. There.
I done tried to clamp it every way. It wouldn't go
Yeah,
down.
it ain't clamping because it's just the metal. Only the metal fit in the hole. But I mean, shoot, you the teacher.
Got to show you. There's a right way.
I was about to say that's how I had it, but I didn't think it could go.
Let me survey this. Oh God, you can snap pictures with these motherfuckers. I could talk to them too, and they'll Google some shit for me.
Oh, yeah.
Because it got to be wired up separate.
I got my appointment tomorrow.
What for what? Oh, just some prescription glasses.
Yeah,
Man,
my
these ain't.
glasses. You see me over here with 2-3 pair of glasses on my head looking stupid.
Where your glasses at? Oh hell yeah, I was
They're
saying.
in the- Yeah, I don't have them medals.
Nah,
I go
you.
tomorrow. I go to Lens Crafters.
Hell yeah. All right. Nah.
They just, and when you do your, you see the little.
All right,
you
guys,
go
let
to
me show y'all how to do this real
Copilot.
quick.
At the
Yeah.
bottom, the little glasses pop up
Keep in mind, when you're dealing with heating
for your
elements,
task.
This shit. Damn, these
you're dealing
motherfuckers is
with high
clean.
amperage.
Hell yeah, I gotta get more
So
tech
if you have
savvy.
a little bit of room or whatever, it's going to arc. It's going to build up heat. It's going to burn these connectors up. So you got to make sure they're tight and they're on right. If you look on your connector, you look on the inside, okay, there's a gap in between. This one side's flat and then the other side there's a gap on the top where the connector is. Y'all see that? You want that, that'll be your top. Okay? So when you set it in your crimpers, you have one side that's like a cradle, is like a dip, and then the other side has like a point, like a knuckle. Okay? That knuckle goes on the top. So if you set your connector in, your
That's
gap
it right
is
there.
on the top. You see how the divot is? That knuckle is on the top where the gap is. Okay?
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all can see it back there. But see how I got that knuckle on the center of the top of that connector? And then when you slide it in, you slide it into the connector, and then you're gonna squeeze as tight as you can. And you gotta do it tight. And then when you're done, you should have a dimple on the top.
You said the knuckle goes in the gap.
Yeah. And see, you pull, I'm pulling as tight as I can. It ain't coming out.
Alright, stay right then. See.
I think I slid that a little too far north, but you want a little bit more. That's probably a little too far, and this is not enough.
Man, so these connect to the computer, that's what you saying.
Yeah.
Just like they Bluetooth just like they Bluetooth headphones or something.
Well, I guess you might have to do the.
See how the gap is?
See when you
See this
click
little
on it?
area right there?
Hold up, wrong.
You want that knuckle to get on the top.
As soon as you click that, well, as soon as I do it now, you see it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hold on, let me click that. Hold on. What that is?
See?
Well, I ain't got my glasses with me, so they ain't gonna say nothing, but
Copilot Vision.
this is all my screens I done did. all
Make
my
sense,
apps,
guys?
Everything I look at.
It's something simple, but yet
What the hell?
you gotta get it right.
Damn, you bought them. How much you pay for them?
Especially
Man, they $500 glasses.
if you're pulling the
I looked them
line.
up on Amazon. They on like
You know how
300
much
something
it
on
is? It
Amazon,
takes to
370 or
carry-
something. I'm like, shit, they're a little cheaper.
Yours turn dark when you go
One
outside.
hand.
They supposed to. I haven't tried it yet.
It don't take
Oh, it's
much.
automatic.
Yeah, I know. I just ain't warm. I just
So,
ain't,
Whenever
I just ain't
you
warm
do
out yet. I ain't gonna lie.
heat pump, strip heat,
I gotta see. I
you
gotta
try to
see.
Those are the
very
ones I got.
Yeah,
limited
right.
when you move those wires around when it's activated. If you gotta move wires around to get
Yeah,
your clamp
you
in
finna
there,
get them hoes
you do
prescription.
that when the power's off. So you don't want something to pop loose or something like that because it's a lot of amp draw.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
New
You got
tab.
240 volts.
It's
which the
telling me I
voltage
can't
ain't what
see what
kills
you're
you.
talking about.
It's the amperage.
Damn,
And with these-
that's lit.
Strip heat,
Sheesh.
gotta make sure
I'm on that, bruh.
you limit
Damn,
what
we
you do.
opening doors.
The one thing that I do, people may think I'm crazy, but when I come to start up my electric strip heat, I did something to it. I'll put the panel up to the equipment, turn it on, wait for it to come on, then I pull the panel off. If something pops or anything happens, I got that panel in between me and that electric. You see what I'm saying? It's gonna trip a breaker or something like that, but you're gonna have that arc flash. You wanna stand to the side, your panel's over here, you turn your breaker, and you wanna look away when you're turning it on. So if it pops, arc flashes or anything, it's gonna be on your back side and in your arm. Your face and your vital organs is taken care of. You see what I'm saying? So you wanna limit your exposure whenever you're dealing with it. Make sense?
Yes, sir. You heard what he said?
So how y'all put down the wiring them in?
What are you
Y'all
talking
get
about?
better luck?
We just talking about we wiring this in, we want to stay away and shit like that.
No, he said you want to make sure
Oh,
these are tight.
yeah.
Oh,
He said you need to fuck around
Yeah, it's
and
easy
try to
once you
shock
learn it.
yourself or
But
arc
if you
flash
don't
or
know it,
whatever.
Yeah.
You don't know what you don't know.
no, no doubt, no doubt. Gotta make sure they tight.
Easier and
That's
tight
why
you
we're
get.
doing baby
Yeah.
steps.
Screw them
What's
bitches.
that?
Damn, nigga, you gonna bite your nails? Come on, wifey,
What's that?
wifey do not like that, bruh.
Did
Nigga,
he show you the,
come on.
put it on the
This
top?
nigga is out here catwoman, bruh. Catwoman like a motherfucker, man. Come on, bro. You be rolling woods or something, bruh. That's why they so long. That's crazy.
I don't
If
pay
you want
attention
to
to my
pull on
hands
it
like
as
that.
tight as you
Too busy
can.
working with it.
If it comes loose, you want it to come loose
Them
in your
bitches
hand,
are tripping.
in the
All that shit, bro.
because you don't want it
Oh,
to burn.
God.
But like I said, it's high amp draw. It builds up heat and it's gonna burn that connector up, burn that wire up. Well, what do y'all think of this exercise?
It's cool. We learning. I mean, you know, we learning. Don't guys, same old. It's cool.
And one thing I encourage, after you get finished with one, swap with somebody and wire in the other. Y'all right here, y'all got probably the most difficult one because y'all have so many heat elements.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? But they got a curveball back here on that one.
Yeah, the ones I did, some of you got to cut them down.
So you gotta know what you're looking at when you're dealing with it. This one up here is probably the easiest one. But this one gives you the idea of the look that you want.
Terry getting this one next.
Mm-hmm.
You getting this one next back here, so
Yeah, for real.
put him to work.
Bro.
The most, if you're in residential, this is probably going to be your most
Yeah, let me
common
try
that
it.
you see.
Man,
You may have
sure.
two elements,
I ain't even deal with it.
but that's going to be kind of your basic setup.
Eat mine anyway.
And if y'all get lost, y'all can always come to the unit here. This right here is our typical setup that we see. Okay? Normally there's a board right here for our fan. Another class burned it up a while back. So now we just wired in solid. But we're supposed to be getting an air handler coming in.
Oh
So
yeah,
we're gonna
baby,
have a brand
yeah.
new one hopefully come in before
That's
y'all
on there
leave.
for sure.
And we'll get some experience on that. Because the new ones, it's just a plug. It's like a jumper plug. You unplug it,
Mm-hmm.
you put the strip feed in, and then it has a plug that plugs into the plug you took out, and you're done.
Mm-hmm.
Simple. So,
Bro. Mr. Walter, I swear, man, you be going in one year and out the other sometimes, man. It's crazy. I'm telling you, man, I'll be like, man, I'm paying attention, but why am I not hearing what he's saying? I'm sorry, man.
well, we're going to show you.
It's the problem that I have,
Nothing
though.
else, I'll go to another classroom and we'll look on another system.
Yeah, for
and
sure.
show you.
Man.
So there's one of the units is a brand new system. I was
Yeah.
trying to get it in here for this class,
Mm-hmm.
and he wouldn't let me grab it. So if I had to, I'll steal it and
Nah, let's
put
do
it
it.
back.
Let's do it.
So
I want to go. I ain't
but
gonna lie.
you will get exposure to that. That is simple though. This right here is the hard.
A little
You need to
complicated.
know how to wire it in. If you're out in the field and you got to make something work,
Yep.
that's what this is.
Yep,
You
yep,
can
yep,
use solid
yep.
state,
Slick.
bypass the boards, get them going, because that's our job. Is
Simple.
you get them some heat and cool.
Yep.
Because you think about it, if you got a family, 4 kids, and it's 30 degrees in the
Yeah, it's
house,
freezing. They gonna need some
it's your
heat.
job to get them going.
Oh yeah.
And you can't say, well, I got to order a board.
Yeah, man. Got your ass on.
650.
They like 5. Yep, I ain't buying them. No, I ain't buying them. Yeah. So what we have here? All right. So you started right here, L1. You put it there. What's this called again? This is the high limit. This is the high limit. So we went. Man.
You go to the high limit.
Okay. This says HR though. What is HR?
Heating relay. We don't have that today.
It's not today. Okay, so we got the L1 going to the high limit. Boom. So right here to the high limit. And then we got the high limit to the heat exchanger, which is,
Heating element.
oh, the heating element. Okay, so the heating element is right here. This is the heating element. So we went from here, so the high limit, boom, right here to there. Yep, that makes sense. Totally makes sense. And then the OL,
Overload.
overload. Where's the overload again?
The other side, the heating element.
Yeah. The overload is right here.
Look
Right.
at your wire.
But yeah, look at the wire. So
So you went into here.
yeah, we went from here to there, from there to there.
Then you went through your heating element and you come out here.
Then we came out there.
And then you jump to here.
Then we jumped to there.
You
Then
went through your overload and you
went through
went back
overload,
home.
went back to L2. Hell yeah, that's a good one. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, come on now. That's lit. Hell yeah, it was good, gang.
What's up, my man?
Yeah, bro. Hey, I got a car question for you, bro. It say my tires is.
Why is your glasses blinking?
Hey, bruh, don't worry about it. Smile, you feel me? You're on camera. You feel me? Look, man, look, my whip, bro, my tires, they say they over like inflating.
Yeah.
Like, I'm like, why my shit keep going? They say they got like 45 PSI.
Yeah, the heat.
It's the heat, huh?
Yeah, it's inflating tires, so you gotta go around. I can give you a deflator if you want it.
A deflator.
Yeah, it's a little pin.
Yeah.
Put inside.
Nah, let me get that, bruh. Shit, hell yeah. Yeah, because I don't want my shit. I'm like, I don't know if it's something wrong with the sensor or if my tire really fucked up. You feel me? Or what's going on?
I can gauge it for you. I got a PSI gauge.
Yeah, bruh, I'm out there, bruh. I ain't gonna lie. Hell yeah. Nah, good looking out. Hell yeah. That's him, though. That's him. Shit. Nah, for sure. Yeah, that's the car dude. Oh yeah, this it right here. I want to check it out. Y'all need me to teach y'all? Y'all got it? You know, Gabe the teacher in the building, because we start from L1, right? You feel me? This is I forget what the contactor. Then we go to here, which is the high limit. We go to the high limit, and this high limit is, you know, it starts here, it goes here, and then we go from the high limit to the heating element, which is this. You feel me? This is the heating element, and they go all the way around the cycle, boom, 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 to here. You know what I'm saying? So it's right here. You feel me? It's not like, you feel me? So it's right here. You know what I'm saying? Then it goes here, boom, to the overload. You feel me? And it's that one line. You feel me? Overload. And then the overload is, you know, them 2 prongs, and they go back to L2. Easy than a motherfucker, right? So we can figure this out. You figuring it out right now, bro? We can figure that out like it's cake, bro. It's cookies. Nigga, you over here cutting wires and shit. Damn, let me see what you got, bro. We got L1. L1 should go to. I don't want to fuck that up. I could probably try to do it myself.
Oh, yeah, it's too short.
Look, we got L1. L1 should go to.
Anybody need to register to vote?
Hell no, I'm not voting for shit.
Damn, L1 should go to the high limit. This is the high limit, so I can switch this up or what? This should go here, I ain't gonna lie. Oops. Damn, that's how you get electrocuted, bro. Damn, come on, gang. You ain't doing your thug. You supposed to be.
Oh,
It's supposed to be blue,
it's
baby.
actually okay.
And the thing is too long. Hold on, let me see. There we go. That goes to there. That comes out of there. So this top and this bottom is like 2 different sections. But the middle, so that goes there. And then that should go. Yeah, these don't connect to each other. That should go like to here. We got, that should go to the heating element.
For real though.
Yeah, man, let's get some red lobster, bruh. Some red lobster or something, you know what I'm saying? Let's get some Alfredo going, man. Some chicken Alfredo, man. What we talking about? Shit, man. We talking about a pizza party.
Where we had them with PB.
Let's get a roof Chris party, man. What? Where the stripper hoe? No, I'm playing. You feel me? Like, nigga, we grown.
Tacos, man.
Yeah, bro.
I'm gonna like tacos. Sweet. Tacos actually, you know, that's a good idea.
Tacos. All right, we got the heating element. We got the heating element. Then we gotta get the overload, which is right here. So this one go L1.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
man.
gonna ChatGPT this, and they'll pull like an arrow. Which one's heating, delay, high limit, heating up. Wait.
I'm finna go up to him. I ain't gonna lie. Do we got all the wires we need?
Relay, limit, element, and overload. Oh, heating relay, heating limit.
Mr. Lindsay. This ain't right, man. This ain't close to being right. Mr. Lindsay, what I call you? Mr. Lindsay? What is it, Mr. Gilbert? Am I tripping? I done forgot your name. That easy. It's Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Walter. What am I talking about? Man. Mr. Gilbert. I'm tripping.
What the hell?
This ain't right? Look, what I'm thinking, I'm like, so what I would have did, I don't know why he went from here to there, but what I'd have did is I'd have went L1.
Right.
I don't what here to there? Yeah, okay. Yep, here to high limit, but I would have went on top. But there to high limit. High limit.
There? No.
Yeah, high limit to heating element. Yep, that's that. High limit to heating element. Then you want to go overload back to L2. And then you want to start it over with another one there going.
Come out here.
Come out there. Go to there.
And your power goes back to here.
So it went boom, bam,
And this
boom.
is the same exact thing. This is the same exact thing. That's the same exact thing.
Okay.
You get it? We need more wires.
Yeah, you
Well,
need a wire. 'Cause
see, this ain't connected, and your overloads are missing here.
Okay.
So really, if you just wanted to do this, you could just do the bottom two.
Yeah, just bottom
that
two.
would be easy. So I know pretty sure.
But you're gonna go from here to here, or no, excuse me, from here to here, there to there, come out there, go to there, and come back to here.
Yep, because it goes from here and it goes around and comes there. If that's what was confusing you. Hell yeah, and then boom, bam. Hell yeah, for sure. Light
And
work.
you do the same thing here.
Yep.
You come into there, come out of there, come
Right
into
here, go there.
come out.
It comes
Go into
there.
here, go down to there, go back to there.
I'm gonna get it done before I leave. I'm being dead ass.
Oh, nah, it's not hard now, right? We just need the wires.
This is challenging, but I like it.
Nah, it's easy, bro. It's easy.
We're gonna spend the rest of the week on it for sure.
For sure, let's do it. All right, gang. You know what I'm saying? Little sneak peek, little appearances.
You just wasted what, 50K?
Man, come on, bro. I'm finna post orders. Come on, gang. Oh, woman. You know what I mean? Here dancing and shit.
That wire's no wire. Fucking sakes.
Look, we got Lincoln Tech day one, right? We got Lincoln day one. I'm gonna be posting this, nigga. I'm gonna still be posting shit when I'm in the field, nigga, working and shit. I mean, do it look like it? What? You can't tell? Don't get me excited now. Look, nah, he just showed us how to do the thing, bro. Mr. Walter, so, nigga, when we getting taught some shit, I'm gonna try to record that shit, you feel me? I get a little bit of the vibes in there, too. We vibing, gang, we thugging, bro. Hey, bro, go viral, nigga. Oh, that's what it's all about, right? And then you gonna be able to, he gonna be able to take care of them kids.
We need some endorsements, man.
Bro, my shit do not want to download.
I said that, yeah, he recorded it. So when he edited the video back,
You have to go back from here.
he started in Hollywood and I started recording. I'm gonna say it's in one of his videos. I said it.
Hell yeah.
He started getting too big for his impressions. I had to let him know. Like, that video. I said it right there on Mama's production. I said it.
Oh, Mama's
I
production.
did that.
That nigga crazy. Oh, Mama's productions, nigga. Oh, Mama's. Sheesh.
The biggest thing coming out the West. Hey, you talking about?
Yeah, yeah. Come on now. Oh, Mama's. Come on, bruh. Turn me up, man. Turn me up.
See, just give them ideas on Mama's production.
Hey, bro. Something like that. Something like that.
Thanks to Chuck Taylor.
Hell yeah.
Hey, you been sitting on Mama's for a while.
Yeah, basically my whole life, man. That's what we say out there, bruh. And then, you feel me, in my part of Sacramento, that's definitely what we say. Oh, God.
Gee, you ever been to Sacramento? Sacramento. You been to LA?
Yeah, my grandma lives in.
You ever heard anybody say on Mama?
That's more of a Bay Area. That's more of an Oakland thing. But, you know, everybody, it's a bunch of niggas that come from Oakland to stay there, a bunch of niggas that come from San Francisco, you know, all that shit that come to stay in Sacramento and shit, you know, LA, all that. It's a lot of St. Louis motherfuckers out there, too. But, yeah, brother. And there we go. We go from here to L to L2. Bam. Bam. And we did it. L1. L1 to high limit. High limit to heat element. Heat element. Goes around. Bam. Right here. Overload. Then overload all the way back to L2. And then we're going to repeat the cycle. We're going to go L1 right here. So we on this one. Bam, bam, bam. So we missing up. All right. Let's get the teacher. Put it in, put in. It ain't near done, but you feel me? All we got to do is repeat it.
Yep.
Look.
Just repeat it, repeat it.
We got it though, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's A1, man. And we just got to repeat it. So it'll be, so we had just put one from right here. Like it doesn't matter which one we use. It don't matter. It's just as long as it, yeah, just as long as it's, all right. Yeah, man, we did that. And that's the last. Yeah, man. A1, Nick. A1. Hey, bro, we gotta look, bro. We just gotta get the good HVAC content, bro. That's all. We gotta make sure these people know what's going on, man. You said what? Nah, I ain't finishing it. Hell nah. We just know that we gotta repeat it. Like it's all good. And look, so we can't finish it because we missing the high limits up here. So it would only be able to repeat it twice. But you know what I'm saying? It's that easy, bro. I'm about to take my picture right now. Hell yeah.